Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a packaging up video. I did a swap with Tennille and I'm going to be packaging up her goodies right here. I put a bunch of crinkle paper. This is the box that she sent me and I figured why not send it back. We're going to recycle. I switched up the crinkle paper and I love the way this looks. It's so fluffy, it looks like a big Easter basket. And this is where I'm gonna be putting all her goodies. But what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some out because I wanna throw some on the top. So I'm gonna just move some out and we're gonna start filling it up. So the first thing I'm gonna put in is this little package that I made for her. I made a little baggie filled with a bunch of handmade embellishments. She's got little ephemera packs, she's got embellies, gift bags, just a bunch of the stuff that I've been making lately, and some handmade cards. So that I'm going to put kind of like tucked in here somewhere with a bunch of like that. I think that's good. The next thing I'm putting in is this little gift here. I don't remember what's inside the packages. It's just a bunch of goodies for her. I'm sure she'll post it when she gets it, but there's this cute little tassel here. I think this was sent to me in a package and I'm just sending it along because I thought it was so cute. Look, you guys, it says, "Hey, good looking," from the Willow Lane. And I'm just gonna put this way because I think that's the only way that one would fit. Or wait, maybe I should put the other ones because I have this one right here and this is just a little project for her. Maybe we'll put that way. I hope everything fits. Here's another one. This is a cute little gift that's gonna go right there. And then I decorated this little bag with some washi. I'm gonna put this on the side right here. I'm giving her one of these cute little pizza boxes that I made. And I added some cute little pom-poms inside for her to use. I gave her like 5 of each little color. You guys already seen my little pizza boxes. And then I packaged up this one like this with this cute little tassel, and it's just a little gift inside for her. I made another one the same way and it looks like that. I love the way those little bag toppers turned out. Here's another one. I stitched on it. Super cute. Maybe I should add a little bit next here, just save some for the top. And then she has another one right here, which looks like this, and there's some goodies in there as well. And then I guess, yeah, we could put this one this way. Just tuck it in here. And I think that is everything. I think I just want to add my note and maybe one more thing, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, you guys, this is a quick little video just showing you guys me packaging up this mail for her. Tennille, I hope you enjoy this package and thank you so much for swapping. And that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.